G'day guys, it's Kev from PJ's 4x4 here to show you our sports lid for our Wildtrak. As you can see, we've removed the original Wildtrak roller shutter and for better security added our Wildtrak sports lid. You can see this particular one is all color coded in the Arctic white and closes down over the tailgate, so no one can open the tailgate while the lid itself is closed. So being a standard 40-degree type lid, as you can see, open the lid, the gas struts take up into the 40-degree position. This particular lid being fiberglass gives you a little bit extra room up underneath the lid, and of course a nice fabric finish as well. Just in the front section here we have a couple of battery operated LEDs which are super bright, just illuminating your tub for all your workspace and here and there as well. Double latch this particular lid, so very secure. Comes with its own side mounted drainage system. You can see really nice, easy to close. Integrates perfectly with your original Wildtrak fairing, as you can see. Now these come standard in the original Wildtrak grey, the fairing grey, but of course we can colour code in this case what we've done here for this customer in the Arctic white. Completely lockable, just with a key lock here. As I said, double latch, so very secure, much more secure than the original roller shutters also. Check out our website guys, www.pjs4x4.com.au for more information. Thanks for watching.